Data entry companies. In the fast-developing business world, every company, irrespective of the size, needs to handle the large volumes of complex data in cost-effective methods. The companies require maintaining databases for customers, invoices, payrolls, and so on. This emerging need of handling vast databases require creative data entry companies that can provide valuable data entry services at moderate cost. Using data entry companies would help other companies not only to eliminate time-consuming tasks but also enable companies allocate their resources to grow the business. If any of the company faces the manpower shortage or needs to allocate more time to other strategic works, outsourcing the data entry projects to one of the leading data entry companies would help to take the business to next level. These companies have experienced as well as skilled staffs that can perform the data entry jobs well. The personnel in data entry companies normally have special skills in MS Word, MS Excel, and other applications, and so they provide help handling invoices, payrolls, surveys, medical billing information, and much more. These companies have great flexibility to meet the requirements of their client companies. The clients need to give simply any document, and the skilled data entry operators in the companies put that information into relevant electronic application. The data entry companies provide high-quality services, and they also provide timely delivery of data entry projects. They deliver complete and accurate data entry services to the client companies anywhere in the world. This is possible due to the advent of Internet, and hence online data entry companies are becoming common nowadays. While selecting a data entry company, the other companies should consider the reliability of that company. There are some data entry companies that provide data entry services by using a double keying process to ensure accuracy. Double keying process involves rekeying the data in different files, which are then compared electronically with each other to provide accurate results to the client companies. There are some versatile data entry companies that can help accomplishing the client company's data entry projects irrespective of language or type. Versatility in addressing data entry projects is one of the main reasons for outsourcing the projects to data entry companies. The companies can also get their final output in any convenient forms like via Internet, CDR, CDRW, etc. Generally, data entry companies deliver the final data entry output in easily understandable manner so that the client companies can be relieved of the pressure of data entry works. Choosing a reliable data entry company is, however, a time-consuming process. However, the effort would provide more benefits. These companies offer premier data entry, data processing, and other related services, and provide a solution to all information processing needs. Therefore, the client companies can focus their effort and time in some other business development tasks. Outsourcing the data entry projects to data entry companies not only saves time and effort but also money. These companies provide superior quality services which are cost-effective also.